YoWIE, so Young Women in Engineering. It's a 3-day program to get girls excited and interested in studying engineering. So at the moment we're working on microcontrollers, so they're programming code and then we're downloading it onto the BBC microbits. I'm Sophie, I'm from Canberra. So this is one of the microcontrollers here, BBC microbit, and it's just like, we've got a small screen and a couple buttons, and the girls write their code and connect it down, and they can make different messages appear, it can make noises, and the idea is one of these activities is to get 2 of the microbits to talk to each other and send messages between them. Yeah, so I did YoWIE when I was going into year 10, so 2 years ago, and definitely made me sure that I wanted to look at science and maths when I studied in year 11 and 12, and got me interested in this sort of area of study, definitely keeping my options open here.